While everybody is talking about the iPhone 12 and some are dreaming about the iPhone 13, designer Michael Muliba already envisions the iPhone 14. He proposes a different kind of phone, a rotating screen handset with a long vertical format. Let's check it out. First of all, this feels like a slider phone, the kind of which we haven't seen in a while. I guess that BlackBerry and Palm were the last trying such a thing. The screen slides open in order to reveal both the hidden front cameras and a secondary screen. It also rotates at 90 degrees for a landscape experience and improved gaming on the go, plus streaming and typing using the secondary screen. Sliders are prone to breakage because people with feeble nerves tend to play with the sliding mechanism and damage it. Apple knows that, and they would never risk a too intricate mechanism. That's why they're staying away from foldables for now. It's enough that their batteries get drained fast, the slider is the last thing they need. The concept looks cool and all, but in order to use the front camera, you need to rotate the main screen at 90 degrees. I see that some of the aesthetics of the older iPhones are back, and I'm not talking about the iPhone 4 or 5, but rather the 3G and 3GS, with the shiny rounded edges and body. Not sure about cutting the screen corners in such a curved manner, though at least this iPhone 14 is trying something different compared to the norm these days, so kudos Michael Muliba for being bold. The materials for this smartphone would be key in its making. It could end up heavy and thick, but plastic is also not a very good